Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm a fourth year law student at Carleton University. I just did my internship in Madrid this summer at Legal Notes, and I was an intern. So there were two reasons why I did an internship. The first being the work experience. Since it is my last year, I wanted to gain the experience because workplaces are less lenient and accepting of application once we graduate, because they have this assumption that we already have experience before. So they look for people who have those experiences. And secondly, because I wanted that travel experience as well, because I wanted to go to Europe and just see other European countries. So what I liked was how welcoming my company was and my colleagues were, because it made it easier to just kind of fall into their system. And also just how the combination of law and software engineering, which are two favorite components of mine, just merged. So that was great. So my role was different every week. I would have calls and my manager would allocate different tasks for each of us. So there is, making a comparison chart of the different tokens, because my company was more focused on the legalization of tokens. So tokens are just online assets that you have, like let's say Bitcoins, right? So there was that. And there was just other tasks, mostly on the research component. What I can offer for my next work experience is communication, time management, and just more of legal research. Because first, I was a nervous person before I even did this internship, and just pushing myself out there was what I needed to be more confident. And obviously just having those skills with AI and software engineering, I feel like since the society is kind of developing in that kind of software pace, so I think it would be important for me to learn more. I would recommend to do an internship with Intern Group, because you can do like your actual work experience that you wanted in another country. So you have the work experience and a travel experience merged into one. And if your school is kind of associated with Intern Group, then you can also get discounts. And yeah. If you are planning to do an internship with Intern Group, I would advise to look at the different plans that they have, because I did plan 4, which is you can pay every month, rather than the first plan, which is like within the 2 weeks. Also look if your school is partnered with Intern Group, because you can also get discounts. You get discount if you're doing OSAP. And I would say if you're going to do an internship like in person, because you can do online with Intern Group, but if you're doing it in person, just be able to have that open mind so that you can at least get more experience. Try the different cuisines that's there. Just be more out there, rather than I'm so stuck with my own costumes that I don't want to try anything, because then what's the point of spending the money to go there, right? Me and my friends, we would go and try different cuisine, but also try our fast food and to see how it's different from different countries, and just try different things, because that's what we did, and we had an amazing time. And also you're gonna make lots of friends. I made genuine long-term friendship, so I'm very happy.